your subscribers, they will tell you how you can fix your problems with your cellular data. So if cellular data is not working on your iPhone, so how you can also fix it. So for fixing it, first thing, just go to the settings, and in the settings you need to find cellular data or mobile data. Just try to turn it off, wait a few seconds, and just turn on again. So after, you can try to change your mobile data option, so just tap on it, just choose voice and data, and just try to switch it to 3G and to LTE again. And if you still have the server, so you can also just find here airplane mode in the settings and just try to turn it on and turn off. So after, you can try to restart your phone, so just go to the general, in the general just scroll down, just tap on shutdown, slide to power off, wait a second, and just power your phone again. So just simple restart your phone. And if you still have this error, so you can also just try to update your phone, so just go to the general, in the general just open software update, and if you see here available update, just tap on download and install, and wait until it will successfully install the latest updates for your iPhone. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and bye.